Hello, I'm Mathieu. I work at L'Oréal since 15 years, and today my current position is Sourcing Director for Consumer Division Europe. We are taking in charge the relationship with your suppliers, managing their performance into L'Oréal. We are the ambassador from L'Oréal with the suppliers. Our consumers and our retailers are pushing us to find efficiency in the way we deal with them. Some shampoos of L'Oréal, a new approach to print our labels. We have decided to move from a conventional printing technology to a digital one, which allows us to produce instantly, but on a really frequent period of time, to synchronize the production of the suppliers and the needs of the consumer. This technology allows us to print really only what we need. So we are really printing exactly the quantities which are requested by the final retailers. We are not obliged to produce more than exactly what we need. This technology is for the first time developed in the cosmetic industry with Reinders, one of our main suppliers for labels, and it has been completely set up to fit with LSEV labels, in fact. What is really interesting at L'Oréal is the way we collaborate and the way we address new projects from the brands. You never achieve a project alone. It's really a collaborative process. If we want to try something, to implement a new idea, if it's a success, then to extend it on a global scale for all divisions and all the brands. It's really an open-minded company for that. So it's really what I appreciate.